In this video, we'll be looking at the following tools which you can access while in D2L. These tools include Microsoft Office 365, which includes a web version of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and OneDrive, which is a cloud storage space built into Microsoft Office 365. A quick note about the web version of the apps just mentioned. Having access to these apps through the web means that you do not need to have a desktop version of Microsoft 365. However, some of the web versions of the apps may be missing some additional features that are included in the desktop version. Check with your instructor to see which version they want you to use. And yes, you can, as a student, download the desktop versions of these apps. Now, back to what we will be covering. By the end of this video, you should be able to sign in to your Office 365 account via the Office widget found in the D2L course. You should be able to access your OneDrive space. You should be able to organize your OneDrive space for easy access to materials for multiple classes. Learn 2 ways to access and download assignment files. Learn 2 ways to upload to the OneDrive. Use one version of Microsoft Office to edit a document. And uploading an assignment via your OneDrive. So, you may be asking, why is this important to me? Well, hopefully, these quick tips will not only help in the course you are working on right now, but can be carried over to other classwork. So, let's dive in. Accessing Microsoft Office 365. First, we're going to access our Microsoft Office 365 account. As a side note, we might be just saying Office 365 for the rest of this video, but we are referring to Microsoft Office for this video. To do this, go to your home page of your course, assuming you're logged into D2L, and find the Office 365 widget. It should be on the right side, just below the course banner. You will see one of 2 messages. Either disconnect, where you will see your user email identifier, or sign into your Office 365 account. To sign in, you will need to either choose an account or sign in with your star ID at go.minstate.edu and your password. A multi-factor verification box will also probably open if you are not signed into the system. Follow the prompts as you usually would with doing the multi-factor pop-up. Once signed in the same widget box, you will want to click on the cloud icon, which is the last of the 3 small icons on the right to gain access to your OneDrive space. We have now arrived at our first important task, which is to organize our OneDrive. You can use this space to store any assignment, projects, material, or other needs for your courses. Then, you will have access to this cloud storage space on any device that you have web access to. Once you're done with this video, we suggest you take some time and create folders for all of your courses. Keep in mind that you can not only store files here, but you can also share files and folders. To create a new folder, we click on the Create button in the top left, and in the drop-down choices, we select Folder. We then get a pop-up box where we can name our new folder, choose a color if we want, and then we click Create. And our new folder has been created. Now, we're going to put the OneDrive to work by uploading some files from our course. For this example, we are going to use Excel files. Your teacher may have posted assignment files in a couple ways. So, we will go through two possible scenarios, each requiring us to download a copy of a file and uploading it to our OneDrive. First, let's pretend that your teacher stored the file within the D2L course and just posted the file in a module as a topic. Note that in this example, it says Excel spreadsheet. If we click on it, it takes us to the file page where we can download the document. You can either choose the download in the document box or the download button at the bottom of the page. In both cases, the file should be downloaded to your computer. Next, you will want to open or go to the browser window that has your OneDrive open, and making sure you have the right folder open, select and drag the downloaded file into the OneDrive folder. Next, opening a link. Now, if the document was posted as a link, we would need to first click on the link. It should open in the web version of Excel. If it does not, and you see this window, choose Open in New Window, and you should be set. To download a copy, we would first go to the File drop-down menu. From here, choose Download a Copy. After it's downloaded, we would reopen the OneDrive webpage and either click-drag the file again or upload from my computer. Note that you could also choose to create a copy online, which would give you the option of saving it to your OneDrive immediately. You would do this if you just plan on doing your work in the web version of Excel and not in the desktop version. Next, opening a copy. We now have a copy of the assignment, in this case, an Excel document, which we can open within the OneDrive. It will open in the web version of Excel. We can then apply any edits that we like. Also, keep in mind that the program auto-saves our work. Once we're done editing our document, we go back to our D2L course. There, we get access to the assignment folder by choosing the Assignments navbar menu item. We find the right folder, click it open, and add a file. A pop-up box opens with a few options. Note that we now have a neat trick here. We can go to our OneDrive and access any folder or file. We choose the edited file from our course folder and click Submit, and done. We have now completed our task. We have now reached the end of our tutorial video. You should now know how to access Microsoft 365, use OneDrive to organize and store your class material, upload content into your OneDrive, edit various Microsoft Office files like Excel via the web version of Microsoft 365, and upload assignment work to D2L from your OneDrive. Knowing how to do these tasks should hopefully make your assignment work a little easier to accomplish. Thanks for watching.